So as parents, we all have those moments when we wonder, what if I let my kids eat anything they want for a day? Would they actually make good choices? Since summer's right around the corner and I expect pure chaos, I need a little bit of organization in my life, I'm gonna make it interesting. We're gonna have my kids pick out groceries and they get to eat whatever they want for a day. Whatever they order is what I have to make. Thank you so much to Kroger for sponsoring this video and for putting my kids' eating habits to the test. Wish me luck. So first things first, we're headed to the grocery store. My local Kroger is Ralph's. Okay, so I'm gonna let you guys choose breakfast, lunch, and dinner, okay? Yeah, and drink. I'm gonna pull up their weekly ad in my Kroger app and let them browse it first. We gotta find the deals and savings, you know? I think seeing the photos of fruits and vegetables here will remind them of what I typically give them. Do you like cucumber fries?
Yeah!
So what's cool about the Kroger app is that I could scan whatever item that they choose to see if any digital coupons pop up. You know, just so we find some extra savings.
Pancakes!
Pancakes, okay. We're hanging out in the produce aisle a little more just so I can coerce them into finding something healthy and balanced. What do you want for dinner?
Mac and cheese.
Let's go look for mac and cheese. And of course, I'm gonna try to sneak some veggies into their mac and cheese. Of course, we always look for the cheese, the snacks, all the other good stuff. If they could eat mac and cheese every day for every meal, I honestly think they would. But instead of the box kind, I'm gonna make it from scratch and let them choose their pastas. Okay, you want that one? Now after they've filled the cart up with all the things, let's go to checkout and see what the damage is. All right, so I have all of my coupons clipped here for the stuff I bought. So now I'm gonna go to my rewards card, scan it. Let's see the magic happen.
If you
Whoa.
enter the number of bags you wish to
A
purchase.
whopping $16 savings. Not bad.
We did so much fun in Ralph's.
Why?
Because it was.
Because you got to pick everything you get to eat tomorrow. Wow. They picked some pretty good things. I'm pretty happy with what they chose to eat tomorrow. They're pretty balanced. Good morning, guys. I didn't think about the fact that there's two of them and they might actually want different things, so it's gonna be a little interesting. I got my coffee ready to go and let's do this. It's already chaos. Hey, Cece, what do you want for breakfast?
I want a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Can I have that jam?
Roro, what do you want for breakfast?
Full
With what?
with a sausage.
Okay. So we have waffles, blueberries, and sausage. I realized we didn't buy any sausage, but I did find this sausage, pre-made sausage. Got my little mini waffle maker here and our waffle mix, so let's go. What's half of 1 1/3 cup? Pancakes gets all of the attention, but I definitely think waffles are way better. Is this gonna be a mistake, or are you guys actually gonna be good at helping? You guys wanna help?
Yeah.
Hey Cece, would you like some sausage with your peanut butter jelly too? You can add the water and you can mix it, okay?
I'm not a pro, Mom. Excuse me.
Let's just say we're gonna make 3. Thank you.
Mix.
Okay.
Mommy, don't let it splatter me.
You want yours salty and cheesy, okay.
I want it to be super cheesy like last time Daddy made.
So we spent the morning making waffles for breakfast. Cece originally wanted peanut butter and jelly, but the good thing about the two of them is that they always end up persuading each other to have the same thing. Since she saw us making waffles, she decided to change her mind and have some too, except it has to be cheesy.
He's telling on me.
You guys, please stop.
He's tattletailing on me. I don't want cheese on mine.
Okay, I won't put cheese on yours, but you like cheese on yours? You like it salty waffle?
I like it to be stretchy. I don't want to try it.
Okay, Cece, your turn. Whoa, look at it bubble. All right, we're gonna make cheesy, crusty waffles. It's spilling out.
Mom,
It's gonna be hard and cheesy, crusty like a cracker.
okay.
Yeah. Now we're ready to plate it. It's same, but different. Ketchup right on top. A little weird. This is what happens when you let them decide what they want to eat. Here is your waffle, cheesy ketchup, and here's your blueberry. No reaction? Say wow.
Wow.
Overall, I'd say this breakfast was pretty balanced. They got some protein, some carbs, some fruits. I'd say that was a success. Maybe this is how I get them to eat their foods, letting them choose. It's about that time again. They want to pack their own lunch, but where are we going now?
The beach.
You want to bring this with you? Okay. What do you want for lunch?
Peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Okay.
Me too.
You packing your own lunch, I see.
Here. There. What should we put in here, Mommy?
How about some of the fruits and vegetables you got? And you want cucumber or strawberries?
Can you pick all these family fish?
You want me to put those on the fridge? Do you want to bring any with you? Do you guys also want some ham and then some yogurt too?
I already have one. No yogurt for me either.
You guys ready for a fun day in the sun? Okay, 1 peanut butter jelly. Okay, and now I'll make you some cucumber fries.
Cucumber fries delicious.
Now they also want some gelatin dessert. So do you guys want orange or raspberry?
Raspberry.
Orange or...
Raspberry. Oh, yes.
I'm thinking of a number from 1 to 10. What number? 2, 3, number 7. So orange wins, okay?
No, Mommy's a win.
And that is how we settle fights. You got it, buddy. So here's what we ended up for our bento beach box. They have a peanut butter jelly with some turkey, string cheese, some crackers, strawberries and tomatoes, and of course their beloved applesauce. And just for snacks, I cut up some watermelon and some oranges in there. And yeah, that's gonna be our beach bento box. And then for my lunch, I'm just eating a salad bowl.
Let's start to eat it.
Okay, let's get your... I almost feel like lunch for them is just a big game of snacking. They want crackers, they want applesauce. They want all the things, and luckily they thought of all their snack options when we were at the grocery store. You can dish it, but you can't take it. So we've all cleaned up, washed up after the beach, and now it's snack time. Here's the gelatin dessert. It's nice and jiggly and cold. I used to have this as a kid all the time. Did you guys know that this used to be Mommy's favorite snack?
Yeah.
Look how it jiggles.
It tastes good. How's it?
Just as I remember.
Good. Okay.
You like it? What do you guys want for dinner?
Mac and cheese. I want the stretchy one. Daddy, can you make
What do you want to eat with the mac and cheese?
steak?
Oh, fancy. And then what do you want for vegetable?
Oh, I want to stick your ear.
I could do that. You start by cooking up the shells. And then the steak should be easy. It's just more salt and pepper. I found this efficient hack where instead of like washing broccoli like this, you just hold down the florets and then you like drip and it disperses throughout the whole stock. I'm gonna save this to chop up in the mac and cheese. Makes me feel better to know that there's a little bit of fiber in there. I usually just eyeball garlic powder, salt, pepper, and that's pretty much it for the veggie. Cece whispered something else in my ear that luckily they also bought, so I'll be adding that as well. And then for this broccoli, I'm cutting it up into really small pieces and I'm gonna be boiling it with the pasta. Parchment paper, throw on the broccoli, and then I'm just gonna roast it at 400 for about 20 minutes so it gets nice and browned, caramelized. So the water is boiling, so I'm gonna add the small shells that they picked out. I'm only gonna do half of the box. So while that's cooking, I'm gonna make the cheese sauce. And that's super easy too. Basically, all I have to do is add some butter, some flour into the butter, and then make like a roux. That way it thickens up the cheese sauce. For the mac and cheese, I usually like to add a little bit of Dijon mustard. Now we add our milk, like 1.5 cups. One super cheesy sauce coming right up. Hey Cece, your mac and cheese is super cheesy.
Well, that's stretchy.
Saucy. Extra cheesy. The broccoli is done. The steak is also just about done. We just need to let it rest and then we'll cut it up. Everything looks pretty good. Here is your dinner, and here is
Special
your
surprise.
dinner.
Wow!
What is that?
Corn!
Is that your favorite? How was your dinner?
Good.
How was your full day of eating?
Good.
Did you guys have your favorite things?
Yeah.
What was your favorite?
The mac and cheese with the mac and cheese and the broccoli and the meat. I love broccoli.
Can I see you eating one?
But it's big. I want to cut a baby piece.
Okay, now try to eat one.
You move me back.
Good job.